the aspirants on how to crack the exam. A two-day capacity building training on packaging of pottery for farmers of Larnai and Tershang village was organized by the Office of the District Industries, Commerce and Industries Centre, Jawai at High Winds Hotel, Tatlaskain, West Jainte Hills District. The program was conducted by the Institute of Packaging Kolkata Centre. The motive of the program was to impart packaging knowledge and to create awareness among artisans and enable them to pack their products for safe transportation to other parts of the country. P.K. Boro, Additional Deputy Commissioner addressing the gathering, said that the training will be very fruitful for the indigenous artisans of the district.
Five products from one district will be sent and will be done packaging. Now we are having two products in our Vegetal district, and I am very, very proud. I would like to congratulate people from artisans from Tersang and Larnai. Please continue. Please keep it. Don't give up your skills, your knowledge. It will help you in future to bring the benefit.